Right. So if you're getting into cybersecurity, the first thing you actually need is a safe place to practice, things like hacking tools, malware analysis, and even security testing. And no, you should never do that on your main computer, right? That's exactly why cybersecurity professionals we utilize Oracle VM VirtualBox, VM, I mean virtual machine. Um, VirtualBox is actually a free tool that lets you create virtual computers inside your computer. Now, think of it like running multiple machines safely on one laptop. So inside VirtualBox, you can install operating systems like Kali Linux, Ubuntu, or even Windows and use them for security testing without damaging your real system. All right. So now the first step is open your browser and search for Oracle VirtualBox. Hit enter, click on the first link, which is virtualbox.org, and that's the official website. Thereafter, click on download, and as you can see, we have multiple package platform packages, but I'll opt for Windows because I'm utilizing Windows 11. And as you can see, it's finished downloading. You click on it for it to start, installing, and thereafter you can see it's starting to populate, and you click next, and just follow the prompts. Click next, accept the terms of the license agreement, click on next, and just click next. And you can see I'm saving this on my C drive program files folder. Just follow the prompts just the same way you install um, every other software. So thereafter, I'll just leave this at default, click next, and hit install. And it starts installing, and just give it a few seconds, and it should be done. All right. So VirtualBox is actually quite useful, and boom, finish, and you're done. And it's actually quite useful. And in subsequent videos, I'll show you exactly how we can actually utilize this, for creating home labs that are pertinent to SOC and all that. All right. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.